For my next video, I'd like to do one, and I'm using the Samsung S24 Ultra, soon to be the S25 Ultra, so keep your eyes out for that. And it's going to be on how to allow cuss words in both your texting, both writing and your voice typing, okay? So there's two different ways to do this. And honestly, I don't do a whole lot of voice typing, and I did it just today, and because I have such a colorful language, I saw that about half of the words were asterisked out. So let's go into this and dig right in, and I'll show you how to fix this. Or if you want it on, leave it the way it is or whatever, but this is how to turn that function off. So I might have to do this more than once because it was kind of tricky to get to. So let's go into the settings. Then we're going to go down. We're looking for the keyboard. So general management. Okay, so now we go to Samsung keyboard settings. And okay, that's not it. Voice input. Okay, then you pick at the top your keyboard you use, which is Samsung voice input. Okay, then hide offensive words. I have it turned on, and you want to turn it off. Okay, so this is what it will look like. This is an example of how the Samsung keyboard keeps the bleep offensive words out of the sentence. So if you say that and that's on, that's what you're going to get. If you say it and it's off, you're not going to get that. So it's pretty straightforward there. The other way is for actual texting, when you're writing it out and you send it as a text or in a message, it'll automatically bleep those words out. So the way to do that, so the second way you can do this is actually a little bit tougher. You can actually, like when you're going to go into a text, you can go like you're going to write the text, and then the setting right here, the cogged wheel settings, and then scroll down and you want voice input, and there's the same basic things, your Samsung voice input, and then hide offensive words. So either way can get it done. It's your choice to pick, but that's the way you hide offensive words on or off. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.